What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's a very techno boy, and you understood that today I'm gonna unbox something. So, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Well, this is it. Well, this is a BENQ business projector. You can see digital projector. So today I'm gonna unbox this and gonna show you. I bought this from Amazon, and this thing cost me around 27,000, I guess. I don't remember that. I'm gonna give the link in the description below if you guys want to buy it, so you can go there and check that out. So this is a box packing. It's a very hard cardboard box. So, and on this side, well, we can see the BENQ. The model number is MS535P, and the digital projector, power rating 100 to 40 volt, 60 Hz, 2.6 ampere. Manufacturing date March 2019. Made in China and all the stuff, and SVGA. So that's it, and here is the price. The MRP is 32,000. So that's it, and Ecofacts. And on the other side, no, it's covered up with this FedEx info here. You can see. I think they imported through FedEx, the International Courier Service. So that's it, and now let's open this thing. Okay, so what do you get in the box? This is the power cable. That's a 3-pin card, you can see. And the VGA cable, which is a nice one. I needed one of this, so it's good. And remote control, and 2 AAA batteries. And this is a handle for this cardboard box, I guess. So that's it, and nothing else. Now let's take the projector out. And nothing else in the box. This is the quick start guide, and the warranty should be here, in here, I guess. So oh, that's it. This is the bottom side of this thing, and at the back side, 2 stands you can adjustable stands, and at the front there is one, and you can see this is one, another, and the third one. These screw holes are for mounting at the ceiling or the wall where we want. So let's take a closer look at the specs. It's the same thing that are written on the box. This is the front side, the lens. The bad thing is that I didn't get a lens cover with this thing. This is the top side. Well, we can see for focus and for zoom, and here are the buttons, and the LED, power, temperature, and lamp. So BENQ logo. These are the keys: Eco blank, auto menu, back, navigation buttons, source, the power, and at the back you can see mini USB socket. I don't know what is that for. And the monitor out, PC1 to in. This is the power socket, and to HDMI I need one of this, and audio in and audio out. It's a DLP Texas Instruments, and this is for lock. I don't know what is this for. So that's it, guys. This was the unboxing video of this BENQ DLP projector, and I'm gonna use this for my home purpose, entertainment purpose, and I'm gonna test it and mount it on the wall, and later I'll show you guys how the performance of this thing is. So stay tuned for that, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.